So you're looking to do a cleanse and you're thinking about the Lemonade Cleanse. My name is Mark Brinson, Doctor of Oriental Medicine, Physical Medicine and Human Performance Specialist. When we talk about the Lemonade Diet or the Lemonade Cleanse, it's a version of what's called the Master Cleanse. It involves lemonade, cayenne, water, and a natural maple syrup, honey, or possibly brown sugar. The mixture that you want to make per serving is about 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1 cup of water, and to taste a little bit of, again, natural sugar. So maple syrup is probably the best. What you do with this is you take it periodically throughout the day, make your servings in the morning, and it's going to help to nourish the digestive system, also to help to reduce any inflammation, and to cleanse the body of toxins by leaching it through the blood. In addition to any of the lemonade that you may be drinking, or the Master Cleanse that you may be drinking, you also want to increase water intake significantly, and make sure that you, if you're eating along with this cleanse, make sure that you eat often, roughly about every 3 hours, and limit simple sugars. One of the better things that you can do to help detoxify the body water-wise is not just clean, pure water, but distilled water. While I don't recommend distilled water during normal metabolism or normal days, because it can take a lot of minerals out of your body, distilled is excellent when you're trying to cleanse the system, especially the blood and the large intestines. My name is Mark Brinson, Doctor of Oriental Medicine, Physical Medicine Specialist, wishing you a happy, healthy, and balanced day.